Hi, my name is Rich Sierra, the president of the Florida Small Business Legal Center. Today I want to talk to you about the reality of lawsuits. Lawsuits are expensive. Think of a lawsuit as a legal toll road. Every time something happens in a lawsuit, there's money that has to be spent along the way. You file the lawsuit, there's money you will be spending. You get requests for discovery, where there's production requests, interrogatories, requests for admissions, there's more money has to be spent. There's depositions that you will have to take from the opposing side. There's money that goes to the court reporter as well, and also to the attorney taking the deposition, preparing for the deposition. So the analogy that the lawsuit is a legal toll road, it is a good analogy because every step along the way, there is fees that will have to be paid to someone, whether it's to the attorney or to a vendor that provides litigation support to that attorney. Also keep in mind that for every action, there's a reaction in litigation. You sue someone, they're going to have some defenses, and more often than not, they will sue you as well. So now you're defending a lawsuit that again will increase the expenses. The reason I share this with you is that before you make a decision on suing someone and you're meeting with your counsel and your legal counsel regarding whether or not it is the right approach to file a lawsuit against someone, you have to keep the end in mind. How are you going to be able to take that case all the way to trial? You're certainly entitled in a business dispute and a legal dispute to your day in court. But keep in mind that a day in court is going to come with some with additional cost that you most likely will have to expend in pursuing and enforcing your rights, whether it's a contractual right or any type of legal dispute. You also have to look at the probability of success. No one can guarantee you 100% success, but you have to look at the probability based on the facts that you share with your attorney, but also based on the evidence that you have that your attorney will evaluate in order to prove your case. And also, like in any type of situation, there's always a different side of the story that your attorney has not heard before. So you will have your side of the story, somebody has a different version of the events. You have to look at the probability of success and how, whether or not your case will be able to succeed. Also, more importantly, when you look at the expense of a litigation, consider alternative dispute resolutions. I already spoke about, in a different video, spoke about mediation, and that's something to consider as well. Whether a mediation conference might be a better approach to solving a legal dispute. The purpose of today's video is to share with you before you decide to initiate a lawsuit against another party for perhaps legitimate reasons that a contract was breached or perhaps you suffer some harm. Keep in mind and evaluate carefully the expenses associated with filing that lawsuit and continuing it all the way to trial. The last thing you want to do is to be able to initiate a lawsuit and not be able to see you in day in court because the resources run out, and that happens more often than not. So looking at that entire plan is very important before you initiate a lawsuit. Again, my name is Rich Sierra. I'm the president of Florida Small Business Legal Center, and my goal is to help you succeed. Thank you.